Assalamualaikum viewers, this is me Naila Tareem and I welcome you all to Javed Publishers. Today we are going to talk about Kids English Grade 2 chapter number 1 and the topic is classroom rules. In this video we will do the exercise of this chapter. Page number 75 of your textbook. Let's do the exercise. Your question number 1 is answer the following questions. Number 1, what is grandmother doing? The answer: the grandmother is sitting in her rocking chair. She is taking rest. Number 2, what is Zara holding in her hands? Answer: Zara is holding a large piece of paper in her hands. Number 3, what is the chart written about? Answer: the chart is written about classroom rules. Number 4, what does the grandmother say after seeing the chart? Answer: the grandmother likes the chart and say, "You have done a great job, Zara." Number 5, what should we do before asking a question in the class? Answer: we should raise our hands before asking a question in the class. Question number 2, read the given sentences, mark tick to the correct statement and cross to the wrong ones. यहाँ पर कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स दिए गए हैं. जो स्टेटमेंट इस चैप्टर के अकॉर्डिंग सही है उनके आगे टिक मार्क कीजिए और जो गलत है उनके आगे क्रॉस मार्क कीजिए. Number 1, the grandmother is reading a book. No, she was taking a rest. Number 2, Zara is holding a glass of water in her hands. No, wrong. The title of the chart is My School. No, wrong. The grandmother likes the chart and appreciates Zara. Very true. Number 5, good students always follow the rules. Yes, true. Question number 3, look at the given pictures and divide them into classroom objects and household objects. जी हाँ, यहाँ पर आपको एक तस्वीर दी गई है. तस्वीर में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो क्लासरूम में मौजूद होती हैं और कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो घर में मौजूद होती हैं. उन तमाम चीज़ों को अलग-अलग कीजिए और दिए गए कॉलम्स में फिट इन कीजिए. जैसे कि क्लासरूम ऑब्जेक्ट्स में मेरे पास होगा ब्लैक बोर्ड, बुक, टेबल एंड चेयर, और ये तमाम चीज़ें मैंने इस पिक्चर्स में से ही ली हैं. उसके अलावा हाउस होल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स में मेरे पास क्या है इस पिक्चर में? बेड, लैम्प, टॉयज, bowl and a table. The next question is about oral communication. Read the given words and divide them into syllables for correct pronunciation. जिस तरह के syllables के questions हम पहले chapters में कई बार कर चुके हैं, यहाँ पर आपको यही कहा गया है कि इन words को गौर से पढ़िए और बताइए कि इसमें कितने syllables बनते हैं. First word is winter. So how many syllables are there? 2. Now the next question is listen to the given short story read aloud by your teacher. यहाँ पर एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी है. ये क्लासरूम में टीचर्स आप बच्चों को ऊंची आवाज़ में पहले खुद पढ़िए और बाद में बच्चों से पढ़वाइए. Once upon a time there was a farmer. He had a hen that laid a golden egg every day. The farmer and his wife were very happy. But one day the farmer got an idea. He thought, I can be rich if I take all the golden eggs at once. He wanted to be rich all of a sudden. The wife of a farmer also agreed with him. Next day the farmer cuts hen's stomach for the eggs. He found nothing but realized that he had killed the hen. He cried a tear of painful sorrow over the mistake and loss he did to himself. D. So the moral of this story is greed is curse. Moving on to the next page, read aloud the same story, The Golden Egg, in the class with correct rhythm and pronunciation as I have told you before. Speaking skills, rehearse the given dialogue with your friends and with correct pronunciation, rhythm and intonation. Miss, may I ask a question? Yes, you may. Can I collect my notebook from the table? First, all the students make a queue, then you can collect your notebook one by one. Alright, language focus. Unscramble the given words. The words are taken from the lesson. लेसन से कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं और उनको स्क्रैम्बल करके लिखा है. आपने इन तमाम वर्ड्स को अनस्क्रैम्बल करना है. The first word is sound. Second word is rules. Third word is paper. And the fourth word is great. Thanks for watching the video. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए. जुड़े रहिए बोलती किताबों के साथ.